If I come up and I fall off, that's on me. That's on me. If I come up and I fall off, that's on me. That's on me. If I come up and I fall off, that's on me. If I fold and I sell out, that's weak. That's why I take my time before I make my mind up. And I do this like 7 days out of the week. And I grind so hard, I don't get much sleep. I had to earn my stripes, so I don't have to work no 9 to 5. Yeah, we be taking everything for granted, no lie. Cause I remember days that we could barely get by. Used to use the negativity to get high.
Happy Friday, y'all. So I went out. We're feeding tomorrow. We're finally getting a chance to feed. Last week I had a funeral. The week before that it was going to be real cold and raining. And so, we put it off. So we didn't get a chance to feed in January. So February 1st, Saturday in February going to be the feeding for January and February. So anyway, this actually going to the church. My bell pepper. I got 6 pounds of onion. I just got 2 things of green onion. And I got some celery I'm going to donate. I got this milk, but this milk is to actually bake the cakes. And I'm not doing pound cakes this time. I'm doing a pan of brownies and 2 long pans of cake. So that'll do 150. Maybe more. Because I'm gonna use that white almond sour cream recipe. But I'm going to triple it in each pan. So I think that should be plenty. But I messed up because I didn't get enough butter. But I'm probably going to donate some butter I have here at the house. This is the butter for the corn because we got 6 cans of corn. It's in the car. I'm not taking it out. I got the powdered sugar because I'm going to do chocolate icing for the brownies. And I'm going to do a I'm going to do a buttercream icing for the other cakes. So let me show y'all what cakes I'm doing. So for the brownies, I use this dark chocolate fudge by Duncan Hines. And then I have the Hershey's I get from Sam's. I got it on sale. And then I'm going to do a white cake. Like I said, the WSC, I'm going to do, so how you do this, you'll do a cup of sugar and flour for each thing of cake. I'm going to start doing it that way. I'm going to see if it's a cost savings, though, because you have to buy extra stuff to go with that. Like, I had to get sour cream, which is here. I got that from Sam. I had to get milk. I'm not going to do the one with the butter this time, though, because the butter is just too expensive. Some of this stuff is from my house. I paid for it from my house. It's 2 separate orders, but I'm just going to show y'all together. This Swiss chocolate. If y'all never tried the Duncan. If you all have never tried the Duncan Hines Swiss chocolate cake mix, try it. We were shocked at how good it is. It was on sale for 84 cents. And one of my friends like it. So I'm going to give her. It expired. The date is February the 2nd. But fun fact, though. Cake mix is good after the due date. And this was just expired yesterday. So let me tell you about it. When I did my research, it said if you get a box of cake mix and it expire, all you do is add a 1/4, I think it is, a teaspoon of baking powder to it. I mean, but this is so close. Yesterday, I wouldn't do that till this is a month old. But I just got it because it was cheap. And I'm going to give her 2 of them because she liked it. Also, they didn't have the butter yellow. So I'm going to do French vanilla and white. And I'm going to make the white buttercream icing. And I soup it up because I put almond and orange extract. And I'm telling y'all, orange extract on the white cakes, a game changer. Honestly, I'm serious. I hadn't seen a 10-pound bag of potatoes this cheap. Well, I got a 15-pound at Christmas for $3.99, but they were large baking potatoes. But this, I hadn't seen it this cheap, y'all. $3.77 for a 10-pound bag of potatoes in a long time, since probably before the pandemic. I got me some $1,000 dressing because I'm doing salads all day today. I already had some Roma tomatoes, but when I saw these, I had to have them because I'll eat these with nothing else. They were $1.99. The little ones that pop in your mouth. Oh my goodness, I love those. And y'all, another thing, the way I'm saving, the reason why I opted to do the cake this way, because when I bake, say if I bake 10 cakes, that's 160 slices, right? But 10 cakes, 10 times, that's 30 eggs. Well, I mean, I guess it ain't really much difference. But anyway, I got the 36 eggs, and for the cake I'm making, that's all I'm going to need. Let me see. I may have done that wrong. 4, 8, 12. No, that's right, because for each 3, I'm going to need 12 eggs, right? Or the cakes. And I'm doing 2 cakes. So that's 24. And then the, yeah, and then this is, let's see, 2, 4, that's going to be 5, 6, 7. Yeah. So it's going to be a few eggs left. Yeah. A few. All right. So I think I may have this wrong. I think I'm right about that though. Anyway, y'all, let me tell y'all something else. Prices are going down. Oh, let me finish telling y'all. And then I got this. Y'all, I used to get the Zatarain's Jambalaya mix. But when I tried this one, oh my goodness. The only thing is now you got to watch the sodium content, right? So 1 box is 6 servings. Well, we get more than 6 because I put sausage, but remember the sausage got sodium. So that's what you have to watch. So if I eat something like this will be my 1 meal a day situation. Yeah. Like I wanted Philly cheesesteak last night. I didn't eat. I ate peanuts, yogurt, and apple. That was my all-day meal until I ate that Philly cheesesteak and about 10 fries last night. So you have to find a way to, give it a little balance. Moderation, right? All right, y'all, that's all I have. Y'all have a good weekend. We'll be feeding on tomorrow. So I'll come back. Oh, yeah, y'all know what threw me out about this? I'm still wondering about this. What threw me out about this? This is not to be cooked for the church. This is for being my friend. It's this that's going to make all the cakes for the church. I'm using the long full steam table pans, right? So you get about 50 slices, sometimes more of that, more cake out of that. So I'm going to have brownies in one and then cake in the other. All right. Y'all, be blessed. We're feeding. We're having spaghetti, corn, and garlic French toast. All right. Be blessed, y'all. Much love. Talk to y'all later. Bye.
Work is almost over. Summer's getting closer. No time to be sober. Sunshine on my shoulder.